The minimum number of times a fair coin must be tossed so that the probability of getting at least one head exceeds 0.8. Probability of at least one head is more than 0.8. What is at least one head? Could be one head, two heads, three heads. All of these up to n heads. The answer is n. So if there are n times you are tossing, number of tosses is n. You can get one head, two heads, three heads, four heads, five heads till n. That adds up to more than 0.8. Or probability of getting 0 heads. 0 heads is less than or equal to 0.2. Not less than or equal to, only less than. What is probability of 0 heads? Probability of all tails less than 0.2. Now it is very simple. Probability of getting, if you're tossing it once, probability of getting a tail is 1 by 2. Probability of getting it twice, probability of getting both tails is 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. 3 times 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 power n is less than 0.2. What is the smallest n that satisfies this? You're through. 1 by 2 square is 0.25. 1 by 2 cube is 0.125. You got it. 3. If you toss a coin 3 times, there is more than 80% chance of getting at least one head. There's only a 12.5% chance of all these throws being tails.